They gonna have to let me in after this when you heard me say you heard me. Turn me up a little bit. Yeah, eyes gonna close out right now. Let's get it. Hustler, mixtape, got a young nigga buzzing. And my man just got booked for a body. I got him a lawyer, first day like it's nothing. Spend that bitch on everything that they want. Go and get it, I ain't need niggas feeding. Make a nigga get right like he Jeezy. I'm the one.
On my podcast, I'm on a shit called Anchor. Shout out to Gary V. He be talking about it a lot. If you really want to start a podcast show, you could really just make your own show. If you got one of these iPhones, one of them Androids, shorty, you could be making fucking your own podcast show talking about whatever the fuck you like to talk about. Let's get it. It ain't no fucking excuses. I don't give a fuck what they say about you. I don't care what they fucking know about you. If you out this bitch producing that high quality content, then you gonna fucking win. And that's all that fucking matters. Go hard or go fucking home, shorty. Ain't nobody out this bitch got no motherfucking reason why you can't get your motherfucking grind on. Why you can't get your hustle on. Kenny Bean Empire, man. Like and subscribe. Let's fucking go. Like I told you, man. Do not give a fuck about what anybody say about you, shorty. Just go out that bitch and execute, and you gonna get that money straight up.
We been fucked up so long, we don't even know if getting rich real. Soon as you run it up.